Raleigh Family Relocation Guide, choosing the best movers at moving companies. Planning a family move to Raleigh? We know it can feel overwhelming, but with Better Life Moving, you don't have to do it alone. Let's walk through the key steps to make your relocation stress-free, organized, and even exciting. Step 1 is smart pre-move planning. Create a timeline, declutter your home, and start exploring Raleigh's family-friendly neighborhoods and schools. The earlier you prepare, the smoother moving day will be. Step 2, packing like a pro. Use sturdy boxes, color-coded labels, and don't forget to make a first night kit for each family member. Our team at Better Life Moving provides professional packing services to keep everything safe and organized. Step 3, choosing the right movers. Licensed, insured, and experienced, that's exactly what Better Life Moving delivers. From heavy lifting to careful transport, we handle the hard work so your family can focus on the excitement of your new home. On moving day, we keep everything running smoothly, from managing pets and kids to ensuring every last box arrives safely. And once you're in Raleigh, we'll help you settle in with checklists, local tips, and full support. At Better Life Moving, Raleigh, we handle both local and long-distance moves with the same attention to detail, protection, and customer care. Visit https://mybetterlifemoving.com and contact us for a free personalized quote. Let's make packing the easiest part of your move.